I see Stevenson and New Tecumseh as a community as leaders in rural and small town healthcare innovation, where the technology and collaboration enhance patient outcomes. Our patients trust us, and physicians play a crucial role in the vision of bringing our expertise and passion to build a resilient and really patient-centered healthcare system that should serve and will serve as a model for other communities.
I was doing my residency at the Northern Ontario School of Medicine, and I did a rotation here with Dr. Oswaldo Ramirez, and it was fantastic.
So when we came here, we didn't know a single person. We have actually really made like full family here. I just love that I will not go through this town without seeing somebody I know.
My kids all go to school here. We live in town. It's a fantastic place to raise kids because there's a lot of supportive community here. There's a lot of growth. I'm now chief of the ER, whereas it was Dr. Ramirez at the time, and it's been fantastic. It's really just like working with your family.
I chose to live and work in Alliston because of the amazing patient population, the collegial medical environment, and really the opportunity to practice comprehensive family medicine, including doing family medicine and doing emergency medicine and hospital work. I think there's an ample opportunity to grow, mainly because this area is underserviced. And I think it's a hidden gem. People don't know about it.
I have a family practice of about 1,200 patients. I really like working in Angus specifically because I get the opportunity to work with grandparents, parents, grandkids, the neighbor that they have coffee with every week. So you actually get like a lot of respect from your patients because you're not only caring for them, but you're caring for their greater community as well.
My name is Jade Lynch. I am the manager at the Mill Pond Medical Center in Alliston. I have been working with many of the doctors within our community for over 10 years now. The nice thing about working in a FO is the doctors can have a small roster size or a large roster size. This gives them the opportunity to work with other physicians and have a flexibility in lifestyle. Another bonus would be we are part of the Alliston Family Health Team. This is great access to allied health professionals, which would include the nurse practitioner, a respiratory therapist. It includes a dietitian, a pharmacist, and many, many more.
Collaboration is at the heart of healthcare at Stevenson. I work closely with the local physicians, with the nurses, with the allied health professionals to help enhance patient outcomes. We all have the same goal, to provide the best care we possibly can to our community. And by fostering an open communication and shared learning, we ensure that our care is cohesive and responsive to the unique needs of our community.
It's a great place to work in healthcare. It's a growing community, so there's an ever-increasing need, and the facilities and the support and the staff and your work colleagues in the area are second to none.
My advice for anyone who is considering moving to this area would be to embrace the opportunity. New Tecumseh offers a unique blend of professional challenges and rewards. Here you'll find a supportive community, really meaningful work, and the chance to grow both professionally and personally in a way that larger systems just can't provide.
If you're coming in new, clinics will talk to you with sincerity on how you want to set your practice up, whether it be it's your fit or a faux. As I mentioned before, they will be very strong, giving you a support buddy system. Not only that, but also aware of our other professional services that can be a support to you in making the decisions you need to do for your patients. You can start with a very small practice. If you want to work 3 days a day, that's just perfectly fine. And if you want a large practice, that's just perfectly fine too. Everything is handled by the Ontario Health either way, and we have a very strong support with our hospital here in town. So that in itself makes sure that the patients that you do have are looked after. And I think that's the most important thing.
Working in a small community has lots of merits. You feel the impact of working with your patients in the community on a day-to-day basis.
The sense of community is the biggest thing that I enjoy. Like, I took on a patient this week where they were like, you know, you have my neighbor who I go coffee with every week. And so she felt like she had already known me, that she already knew what I was about and how I practiced because her neighbor had already talked me up so much.
I was initially hesitant to move to a small town. I've always grown up in a big city. I came from Calgary, Alberta, and then I lived in Burlington for a while I was studying at McMaster in Hamilton. But my husband pushed me because he works from home. He loved being able to just commute 5 minutes to the grocery store or take the kids out to the farms. So he loves the rural lifestyle living. And he pushed me and encouraged me to do this. And I have to say, I love being able to live in a small, peaceful town and commute an hour away to downtown Toronto and see world-class events.
It's an exciting time at Stevenson Memorial Hospital. We are embarking on a journey to revitalize and expand the hospital with a state-of-the-art facility. The future is very bright at Stevenson Memorial Hospital. Please join us.